In this video, we're going to show you how to use Just the Facts to measure fact fluency using all four operations in whole numbers, fractions, decimals, and integers. Just the Facts is found on the Student Hub identified by the yellow icon. These modules will look a little different depending on the assigned grade level. Whole numbers is a common starting point for most students. We'll use whole numbers as an example, but the format of the games is the same for all levels and operations. Just the Facts is a 5-minute timed test of 100 facts in a 10 by 10 grid. The first time students play the game, it will be recorded as a pretest, and it will be time-stamped in the assessment report. Each subsequent play is recorded as a post-test. Since it is a timed test, it's important to tell students that if they're unsure of an answer, to guess an answer and move on so they can complete as many questions as possible. Students can see their results by clicking on the review button at the bottom. Once the students have finished their test, the teacher will be able to view the results from the assessment reports link on the Teacher Hub. This is where you can toggle between the levels and the operations. The example we are showing are classroom results for whole numbers addition. When you scroll down, you'll see a graph that compares pre- and post-test results. It is color-coded according to fluency. Individual results underneath the graph help to dive into a student's performance even deeper and monitor their progress. Use the post data column to record their real-time results. The data can also be downloaded into Excel using the link below. We suggest students complete the tests in class to eliminate the chances of having someone help them. Choose a student by clicking on their user ID. When you scroll down, you see the same 10 by 10 grid that the students had for their test. You may notice 3 different colors on the grid. Green means correct answer, purple/gray color means incorrect, and the orange means incomplete. Incomplete usually means the student didn't finish within the 5 minutes. Analyzing this chart, your first impression would be that this student isn't quite fluent because they have more incomplete problems than incorrect. Select their post-test to see their current progress. You can use this information to suggest specific games that focus on an area of need. This student, for example, we notice is still struggling with their 9s facts. We could encourage them to practice adding by 9s in the GYMS module. Just the Facts is a great tool to use at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the year so you can monitor your students' growth.